Welcome LEGO fans, I'm Holger, the Austrian brick fan from Carinthia in Austria, and today a small LEGO City set number 60399, the green race car. Containing 56 pieces, the set was sold for $9.99 or €9.99. You get 2 minifigures and of course the name-giving green race car. It's labeled as a 4+ set. That means we have big pieces. It's easily built. Normally we have no stickers. We can take a quick look at the back of the box. Here you can see it. It's like learn to build. So it's for beginners in the LEGO world. The smaller ones, 4+ here. And I think let's unbox and build it. Have fun.